Let's have a look now at repeated addition and how that can help us with multiplication. We've got groups of runners here, a grey group, a blue group and a green group. If we have 3 groups of runners and each group has 6 runners, we can say we have 3 groups of 6. We're adding 6 on each time. 6 plus 6 more equals 12, plus 6 more equals 18. This is repeated addition because we're repeating the same number adding on each time. 6 plus 6 plus 6 to give us 18. So 6 plus 6 plus 6 is the same as 3 multiplied by 6, which equals 18. Here's another example now. 4 multiplied by 8, or 4 groups of 8. And we can see we've got 4 groups of 8 stars. We can use repeated addition here by adding 8 4 times. A grid might help you here, and I like to use a 10 by 10 grid to help when I'm adding numbers like 8 or 9. So I'm going to colour in my first group of 8. When I colour in my second group, you can see I've got 10 plus 6 more, 16. My third group means I've got 2 rows of 10 plus 4, that's 24. And my fourth group of 8 means 3 rows of 10 for 30, and 2 more makes 32. Let's have a look now at some more examples. This time we're going to add 8 groups of 7. Now 8 multiplied by 7 is the same as 8 groups of 7. Now it looks a bit like this. Now I don't know about you, but I think I might lose track of counting 7 8 times. So what I like to do is each 7 I add on, I write the total just above it, and you can see I've done that in blue. 7 plus 7 is 14, plus 7 is 21. And that way, if you're counting and you lose track, you don't have to go back to the start. You can go back to the last total you got to and go from there. So 8 multiplied by 7 is the same as adding 7 8 times to give us 56. How could you write this as a multiplication? We're adding 5 3 times. 5 plus 5 plus 5. We know that equals 15. So we've got 3 groups of 5. We're adding 5 3 times. 3 multiplied by 5 also equals 15. So you can see repeated addition and multiplication lead us to the same answer. So you might prefer one way over the other.